All right. Hello and welcome, audience. In Hall of Fame, we have Samriddhi today, and she has quite an exceptional and very good background. She has completed B Pharma, M Pharma, and 3 years of experience in academics with working as an assistant professor for Seven Hills College of Pharmacy, T. John Group of Institution, quite a some paper publications, and now she's entering into corporate world with logicize IP to start her career in patents. So Smriti, welcome, and first of all, very, very congratulations to you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So Smriti, I want to know how was your interview experience when you gave the interview? So what was the stages and what happened in the interview?
Sure. So the first round of interview was a general interview,
Mm-hmm.
which was about introducing myself
Mm-hmm.
and about company, the overview of the company.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got selected in the second round. So the second round of interview was completely technical,
Mm-hmm.
as well as it was HR round.
Mm-hmm.
So in the technical round, it was a very good experience, of course. They asked questions from basics, like very basic questions from IP
Mm-hmm.
and related, especially related to Indian patent law,
Mm-hmm.
and also taking it to the US patent law. A
Mm-hmm.
bit from US patent and a bit from Indian patent. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, it was a very good experience, and I felt that it's not very tough
Mm-hmm.
to crack the interview, but
Mm-hmm.
it's all about the determination and how much heartfully we do it.
Yeah.
Because it's also, and what we say is, failure is the key to success. So
Mm-hmm.
it's not only about sharing my success, but also I will like to share my failure.
Mm-hmm.
Because the first interview I attended, I went to the second round, but I was not selected in the third round.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, I analyzed myself. Where did
Mm-hmm.
I lack?
Mm-hmm.
Some things where I lagged, I did not repeat in the next interview.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, it is all about I was trying to, study every day, like practice. It's all about practice, what I feel. And the same thing I told in the interview also, that when they asked me that will you be able, because the question which I was asked after the technical questions was that will you be able to work in this patent analyst, and from where did you get the inspiration, and why do you want to shift from academics to this corporate? So
Mm-hmm.
then of course I was very happy with this question, because I wanted to share that of course I had keen interest. And then of course it's about the determination, so how much determined I was. And also what IIPTA gave me, that was the sessions, the live sessions which I had, that was classes were wonderful classes I had. Hardly I missed any class. So that was very good for me. And also what ma'am taught, like what you taught us, that was great. It was a great sessions I have. And yeah, it's a great journey.
Great, great, awesome. So, yeah, my question is again the same. So, why you decided to leave the academics and enter into the corporate world? So, what made you make this decision?
Yeah, sure. So I was in academics for 2 years, 8 months, of approx 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
So then, of course, teaching was always my passion. It's even now it's my passion, because teaching is never left. The live example is Cheshta ma'am. So we can continue with teaching every time, but the thing is that I always had interest in IPR,
Mm-hmm.
and I have also handled IPR as a subject in my academic career.
Okay. Okay.
So then, during my BPharm, we studied IPR, and
Mm-hmm.
I was always interested in IPR. And
Mm-hmm.
then I came to academics as my passion,
Mm-hmm.
and there I handled IPR as subject
Mm-hmm.
along with some core subjects. So, and after that, few 2 years, 3 years experience in academics, I
Mm-hmm.
was very interested to take forward my career with the IPR field. So then I searched for, I was like searching for some guidance and some training where I can get trained. And then because uh, reading, studying by own, of course we can study by own
Right,
everything and
right,
we
right,
can learn. But
right.
when we get there, there are two things, that is making effort and making effort in a correct direction.
Mm-hmm.
So I chose to make effort in a correct direction.
Mm-hmm.
So then I chose IIPT, and when I got guidance, of course, the interest which I was having in IP became my passion gradually.
Mm-hmm.
So then that made me, more passionate to get into this.
Great, great, great. Awesome. Awesome so much. And so during this transition, like coming from academic center into corporate world, so
Right.
who was yours? Like, what were your support pillars? Because you need family, friends, mentors, every year. So what were your support pillars during those transition periods?
Yeah, sure. So I should say my support pillars, of course, family. Of course,
Mm-hmm.
first of all, I should thank my life partner, my husband,
Yes.
and my in-laws,
Mm-hmm.
and of course my parents. Always parents, they never step back, and yeah, my family supported me a lot. Even after being a married woman, and changing a domain is not a easy thing for a married woman. But
Yes.
I was having, and I'm still having, all support from my family. So it was, it became easier for me to choose what I want.
Mm-hmm. Great, 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 awesome. How do you think it is important, like being married, being into relationship, being with the family, and then doing what you really want to do in your life? Because ultimately, it's your life. So, what message you want to give to other married women? Because there are many who would be listening to this video of yours. So, any message you want to give it to them? That why it is important to do what you really want to do in life?
Right. So of course I would like to share my experience. So I am of course married, but like I completed my married life. It's just 1 year. Just a day before yesterday was my anniversary, first
Okay,
anniversary.
great, great,
So,
great. Awesome. So it
so
came with the good news.
yeah, yeah. Actually, I got my result on the day of my anniversary.
Oh,
so
wow. Awesome,
so that was
awesome.
a great gift to me. Yeah, I cannot get much than that. So what I want to share is, see, a woman, every woman should be passionate about what they want, because
Mhm,
I cannot say that family is not priority. Of course,
mhm,
family is always a priority. And if we are into job, or we are doing something professional, that is also
mhm,
of no use if we don't give priority to family, because we do those things for our family. So
mhm,
of course it's very important. And what is my from my side, I can say that life should be balanced. It
mhm,
should not be like more career or more family, or ignoring career or ignoring family. It should be properly balanced. If we balance everything, I think we can do what we want. And
mhm,
the most important thing, what I can say, is it's all about passion.
mhm,
Whatever we want, if we have passion for anything. If I go to a mall, and if I see a beautiful dress, so we feel like, I want this dress. Or we see a beautiful place, so we want that, no, I need to go to see that place. So
mhm,
that's a kind of a target, whatever we do for that. Like we save money, or we do investment to get something,
mhm,
a beautiful house or a car, or for a trip. So
mhm,
I think we should take our life also in the same way,
mhm,
like making targets,
mhm.
setting small goals in life, and achieving that.
Great.
So setting small goals, once, of course, we it helps us to uh, cross a big milestones in life, and then people become very successful. We say that, what is success? So in
Mhm,
my terms, success is every day. It's
mhm.
about setting goals and achieving small goals, which leads to the bigger goals in life.
Wow, wow, wow. Such a great philosophy to share with our audience, Jacob. So, tell me something because you were into IP in academics, you were teaching there, and what was the element which you really liked about doing the program, which you said which was a level up game for you?
Yeah, so when I joined this IIPTA,
Mm-hmm.
so I joined in the month of August.
Mm-hmm.
At that time, I was knowing only IP, like intellectual property
Mm-hmm.
rights, and whatever I studied during my BPharm. So I was having a knowledge that was a basic knowledge, and whatever I handled during my academic career, So
Mhm.
that was only that was the basic syllabus, what
Mhm.
we study and what students want. So that
Mhm.
was not much more implementation in the from the industry side.
Mhm.
But then when I started, I was not knowing actually that what will be, what else I'll get to learn. But the time I entered into IIPTA, and then when I can say the biggest element of this is the live sessions.
Mhm.
So of course training is there.
Mhm.
On the dashboard we have the training sessions also. Those
Mhm.
trainings are very good, but
Mhm.
those trainings are only helpful only when we attend the live sessions.
Mhm.
So I attended all the live sessions, and then it helped me a lot to understand, what is IPR actually,
Mhm.
what is patent, what is patenting, how to get into patenting, what we need to do. And then of course I understood about the profiles, different profiles, which actually I was not knowing on 1st of August. And then slowly I got to know because I was having interest, so I used to learn every day. And the live, and of course which you used to teach us, that every single word, that was like crossing one level up. So every live sessions was every step for me, whatever I
Mhm.
attended.
Great, great, great. Awesome. So when you were enrolling into the course, so there must be some apprehensions because you are investing your time, you're investing your money. So how you overcame all these hurdles? Because these are really obstacles. Because I talk to a lot of students, they feel, how do we trust you? Right, right.
Right.
So what were the obstacles which you faced, and how? What really made you gain a trust? Okay, this is what, and this is where I should be now.
Right. So of course, this is a very nowadays, because we are all aware of there are many fake
Yeah,
emails, many fake IDs created, many
yeah.
things like that. So there were a lot many questions, of course, in my mind also when I was searching for some certification. So of course, when we spend this much of money, and it should be worth. I completely agree to it. So then, first of all, I got to means when I saw IIPTA, I was knowing about IIPTA from the time I entered into my masters.
Okay, okay.
Because yeah, so I was knowing about IIPTA. The institute is in New Delhi, and that much of knowledge I had.
Mhm.
But when I started searching the certifications for IIPTA, then I went through the page of IIPTA.
Mhm.
I saw many people who have succeeded, and there are many live videos which I went through. I got to know that okay, people have succeeded. Then also I was not very sure about it. But then once then I had a contact with I think Astha ma'am from IIPTA. So
Mhm.
I contacted her, and the way she told, like she gave me assurance of everything. She told, once you pay your fees amount, or once you invest your money over here, you will get, like, I got the receipt of the payment.
Mhm.
I got the options of payment. It
Mhm.
was not that I need to do it in one shot, and whatever, it was up to my convenience.
Mhm.
So there was options like we can do in one shot or two installments or like that. So it was like that. First thing, I got assurance that okay, it's not all about money. The institute is helping to make career.
Mhm.
Then I enrolled it. After enrollment, I paid the first installment, and then again I was having a lot of questions that okay, first installment is paid, but what next?
Mhm.
The live session started, and of course I got the assurance from there were many and lot of good feedbacks on YouTube and also on Google. I googled out a lot of things. So there were a lot many good feedbacks that people have succeeded, and they have achieved a good. They have also been placed, and the best part of this IIPTA is that there are many more certifications, but they
Mhm.
don't go for the campus placement.
Mhm.
Or and the second thing is thing is that it's also about that, it's a paid kind of, like they say that if you give me this much of money, then we'll give you placement, or
Right.
otherwise when you are placed, you need to give your 1 month of salary. But
Mhm.
there was nothing as such in this. So I was never, I never had any this kind of conversation in IIPTA. I only had a conversation that you have to attend classes and we will give you opportunities
Mhm.
uh, till the time you are placed. This is the best, the reliable thing, that till the time you don't get job, we will be with you, and also after that.
Mhm.
So this was, so the thing is that there are few things which was like I read about it, I saw some YouTube videos, and the best part, the live conversation. And
Mhm.
also in every class which we had, we used to have conversation with you. So
Mhm.
that was like a very live thing, like we can trust the live things, what we see. And
Right.
also whatever interviews were happening during our sessions, during the classes or the months which passed away from August till now. So we used to get update of each and everything. Nothing was hidden from us.
Mhm.
Whatever interview is going on, whoever candidate is sitting for the interview, who is cracking, who is not cracking. So all the updates, and candidates used to share their interview experience in the live sessions also,
Mhm.
in between the whole, among all the candidates and among the teacher.
Mhm.
So these things slowly, that of course, the what we hear, what we see from our eyes, mm, that is, of course, we cannot deny that. That's believable.
Great, great, awesome. So Amriti, I can tell you, I'm so, so proud of you. Like I got to be your mentor, and I was really able to deliver what I promised to you, that I will really help you out where you want to go. So I'm so very proud. I'm so very touched by your story. It's an awesome story to tell. And Smriti, we here at Delhi, we all are super proud. Whole our team is super proud. So whenever you get your like offer letter, we here are clapping and celebrating that yeah, we are able to deliver what we got out for. So awesome, and so very congratulations to you and to your family as well, who has been supporting you all this time.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. It was really a great, and I cannot say it was a great journey. This journey will never end. It's a never-ending journey, I feel,
Absolutely.
because the relation which I got, it's not only about a mentor or a candidate. It's like I feel like a journey I can take this ahead for my lifetime.
Yeah, yeah,
That is what
awesome.
is IIPTA, what I
Thank
felt.
you. Thank you. I'm so much touched by your words. Hearing they're like music to my ears now. So Smriti, I want to give a special gift to you today because you are like you've excelled and you have gone into the first step. So a small gift from our end. So we want to give you a free gift certificate for patent agent examination preparation 2021. So I'll be very glad if you accept that I'll be your mentor for this examination, and I want you to clear that. So all your study material, all your online classes, live classes, of course, are on us as a small gesture. Because what I feel after talking to you, that you have much more potential, you have much more to give to the world, and you have a lot of talent which is still needs to come out.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Of course, I will accept this heartfully. It's my, I can say, uh, my fate. Like I'm lucky to have this. Everybody doesn't get, but yeah, I feel lucky today. I'm really very happy to get this opportunity and to succeed more in life. And yeah, being you are a great mentor, very nice mentor. Not only mentor, I can say mentor as a friend. Like
Yeah.
I have personally been in touch with you always. So I never felt that, any problem what I had was not solved. It was always solved.
All right, awesome, Smriti. So I have a bigger plans. I have a bigger plans for you. So I want to see you enter into corporate work for 2, 3 years, maybe start your own consulting firm, maybe become an entrepreneur yourself. This, I have a
Right.
very big dreams for you. So,
Right, right, sure.
so I'm very happy that I got to be part of it, and we'll be in touch. And
Sure,
great,
ma'am,
great.
sure.
And
Yeah.
thank you so much for sharing your story with us. It will inspire many other people. It will inspire many other people.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you for all your support, and thank you for the support what I'll get in future. I will also accept it gladly. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.